So this is just a quick tour for how you can use Studio to record your screen. So if we take a look over here on the left-hand side, we have all of our different apps for our Canvas class. We're going to click on Studio, and when you click on Studio, it will take you right into your library. These are all of the videos that I have either created. Here's this first one, Test, that's me. And then I've also linked YouTube videos into this particular course shell. So one of the things we're going to do is learn how to do a screen capture recording. So you want to click on this button that says record, and then you'll click on screen capture. And when you do, it will pop up with a question. Do you want to open the Screen Recorder Launcher 2.0? You want to click on that so that it will go ahead and open that up. And then you'll see here, Recorder will record anything that happens in this frame. And over on the side, you have a little recording panel along with some tools like record. So what I usually do is then I will actually minimize this box so that when I open up something like a PowerPoint file, I can capture just the PowerPoint. So if we take a look, I've got a PowerPoint here for one of my courses, and this is one of the PowerPoints that I'm going to want to use as an online course, even though I'm used to doing it in real life. So I'll download that PowerPoint really quickly. I will open it up in PowerPoint and make sure I click Enable Editing, and then I will be in my first slide. So then I'll just take this dotted line box and I'll put it over the slide, and it will basically capture just what's inside that box. Then I can go over to the side panel and click on the different slides to make sure that it's going to let me go through each one. Then I would come down, click the record button, and it's about to get meta. It does a countdown, and then it starts recording me as I am going over the PowerPoint. When I click on pause, I then have a bunch of options down at the bottom, including the ability to push the playback button, and then it starts recording me as I am going over the PowerPoint. You can see my cursor moving around there and would hear audio if it weren't for the fact that this is very meta. So that's how I would go about. You then get, when you push done or pause, it asks, are you ready to upload this video? I'm going to call this one Test 2. When you click upload, it automatically uploads it into your course library in Studio, and you can click on continue, and then in just a few moments, when you go back to your Canvas shell, you will see, when you go back to Studio, oh, that's the wrong one, it's this one. You'll see that it's now coming up as Test 2. It's currently launching, and there's my PowerPoint slide. So that's how we would upload a video to our Studio using our voiceover screen capture.